In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Aftership for Shopify. To get started, you will be working inside your Shopify store admin. First, open Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your products, orders, and settings. You can usually access it by signing in to your Shopify account and selecting the admin area. Once you are there, take a moment to orient yourself. Look for the section where you manage apps or where apps are listed and installed. Depending on your Shopify layout, the menu may vary slightly, but you will still find the right place to install new tools. Next, from within Shopify admin, go to the Apps area. In many cases, you will see a navigation option that says Apps, or you may find it under a section related to your store settings. The goal here is to reach the page where you can browse and add applications. After you click into Apps, you will likely see a list of installed apps and possibly a way to search for additional apps. This is where the installation process begins, so it is important that you are in the correct area. Now you will search for Aftership order tracking. In the Apps section, find the search field. When you see the search bar, type Aftership order tracking. Then you will submit the search, often by pressing Enter or clicking the search button. This step matters because it helps you locate the exact app you want, rather than downloading something unrelated. As you search, pay attention to the results. You should see a listing that matches the Aftership order tracking app. Once the search results appear, select the correct app from the list. When you click the app entry, it should open the app details page. On this page, you will be able to review what the app does and how it connects to your store. You can also confirm that it is intended for Shopify and that it is the Aftership order tracking option. This quick check helps you avoid installing the wrong app. After you have confirmed you selected the correct listing, you will click Install. The Install button is usually clearly labeled and located near the app details. When you click Install, Shopify will begin the installation process. This typically takes a few moments while Shopify prepares the connection between the app and your store. During this time, stay on the page and do not refresh, because the installation may be actively running in the background. When installation completes, Shopify may show a confirmation message or take you to a page related to the app being added. If you are prompted to grant permissions, you may be asked to approve what Aftership needs to do its job, like accessing order information for tracking. If a permission screen appears, review it carefully, then proceed to approve the installation. The reason this step matters is that the app cannot provide order tracking updates without the required access. At this point, the app should be installed and ready to work with your Shopify store. You can return to the Apps area to verify it appears in your list of installed apps. If it shows up there, that is a good sign that installation succeeded. From here, you would normally continue with any app-specific setup, but for this set of instructions, the main focus is getting Aftership installed successfully, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.